Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video using CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened the CapCut application and I'm going to open up the project I have created. Okay, we're going to remove this watermark and I'm going to duplicate this video first guys. We're going to duplicate the video and apply mask. So I'm going to choose the I'm going to choose duplicate. Where is it? Duplicate. Okay, right here, duplicate, and I'm going to select the overlay. I'm going to make the overlay guys. Okay, and apply mask. You can go to the mask option. Wait, okay, it's still here, and I'm going to choose this circle mask, and we can take another part to cover the watermark. Okay, like this, and I'm going to click on the check mark and I'm going to drag the mask to cover. Okay, and it looks not natural, right? So I'm going to apply adjustment. Okay, I'm going to choose adjustment. Wait, where is it? I'm going to go to the filter first. Okay, sorry. Okay, and this is the adjustment. I'm going to adjust the brightness. Okay, oops, it's too much. Okay, done. And also the contrast. Okay, done. Okay, and now the watermark has been removed from my video. But that's because the video is not that complicated. When we made a video with complicated objects, I think it's pretty hard to apply the this trick, I mean. And yeah, that's it. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove watermark from a video using CapCut Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.